Welcome to the thrilling world of nature's most awe-inspiring yet dangerous waterfalls. Today, we explore the top 3 waterfalls where beauty meets peril. First on our list is Victoria Falls, located on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Known as the most dangerous waterfall globally, its thunderous currents can sweep anything away. The infamous Devil's Pool, right at the edge, tempts the brave but demands respect for its life-threatening risks. Next, we journey to India's Jog Falls, distinguished by its 4 magnificent plunges. While breathtaking, the falls can become treacherous due to unpredictable water flows and nearby hydropower influences. And finally, the majestic Angel Falls in Venezuela, the tallest uninterrupted waterfall in the world at 979 meters. Its sheer cliffs and inaccessible terrain make it one of the deadliest waterfalls to approach, a true testament to nature's grand